Approach S60's Swing Tempo feature will help you to achieve a more stable swinging rhythm. Follow the vibration of the device and start swinging, and you'll be able to move steps closer to the ideal swing tempo. How to activate the Swing Tempo feature? First, from the watch face, press the Action key. Select the 4 circles icon. Select Swing Tempo. Select the up or down arrows to switch between different tempos. Approach S60 has 6 different tempos available. Press the 3 lines key at the side of the watch. Select Club Type. Enter the type of club you're going to use. Return to the tempo selection screen. Follow the vibration tempo to complete the full swing, and the analysis of your swing tempo will be displayed on screen. Professional study shows that 3.0 is the most ideal swing tempo, which is backswing and downswing time equaling to the ratio of 3:1. It is recommended to practice swinging from the slowest tempo first. The tempo graph will display colors that represents backswing and downswing time. Green means good timing, blue means too slow, red means too fast. If you can maintain green consistently on the graph, then you may try a quicker tempo. When you find the best tempo for you, you can continue practicing with that tempo. Start your tempo training now.